Welcome back to While You Are There. Welcome to the ultimate travel guide for Cuba, where we'll uncover must-see attractions and essential tips for your trip. When visiting Cuba, it is essential to be aware of current travel restrictions and requirements, such as the need for a visa and health insurance. Additionally, understanding the local way of life, including meal times, social norms, and cultural values, will help you navigate everyday situations with ease. By being prepared and flexible, you'll be able to focus on enjoying the beauty and charm of Cuba. First, when it comes to transportation, renting a car or hiring a private driver can be a convenient option, especially if you're short on time. However, this mode of transportation can be costly, and driving in Cuba can be challenging due to the poor road conditions. A more affordable and adventurous alternative is to use the public transportation system, such as buses and taxis. Next, one of the most iconic experiences in Cuba is wandering through the colorful streets of Old Havana, taking in the vibrant architecture and lively atmosphere. Be sure to stop by the famous Plaza de la Revolucion, visit the iconic Capitolio building, and explore the charming streets of Varadero. Next, Cuba is also home to some of the most beautiful beaches in the Caribbean, such as Varadero, Cayo Levisa, and Cayo Guillermo. These stunning beaches offer a relaxing getaway from the bustling cities and are perfect for snorkeling, swimming, or simply soaking up the sun. When visiting these beaches, be sure to respect the local environment and take necessary precautions to protect yourself from the sun and insects. Additionally, Cuba has a rich cultural heritage, and experiencing the local music and dance scene is a must. From salsa to rumba, the island is home to a diverse range of musical styles, and attending a live performance or taking a dance class is a great way to immerse yourself in the culture. Next, tour Havana in a classic car. Take a tour of Habana Vieja and enjoy stunning views of the water from a classic pink Cadillac or other trademark car. Capture unique photos and experience the vibrancy of Cuba. Live out your vintage car dreams, soaking up the sun and architecture on this unforgettable ride. Experience the stunning beauty of El Yunque, a tabletop mountain in Baracoa, Cuba. Immortalized by Christopher Columbus, this hike through lush jungles offers breathtaking views, waterfalls, and local farm-sourced meals. Discover why this is one of the best and most popular hikes in Cuba. Experience the inspiration and legacy of Ernest Hemingway at Finca La Vigia, his former home just outside Havana. This sprawling estate features a swimming pool, Hemingway artifacts, and his famous boat, the Pilar. Immerse yourself in the history and creativity of this iconic author's retreat, where masterpieces like The Old Man and the Sea and For Whom the Bell Tolls were written. That's it, the top must-sees when visiting Cuba. I have also included a link to some amazing once-in-a-lifetime adventures and attractions for your own personal customized getaway in the description below. Check it out! If you enjoyed this virtual tour, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more travel inspiration. Your support helps me bring you more exciting adventures. And if you want more travel tips and guides, don't forget to check out my other videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next adventure. Until then, keep exploring and discovering new places.